Good morning, guys. Welcome to your crypto report. Welcome to your Bitcoin report. And, well, you know, we've had a little bit of a fall off in the prices of the cryptocurrencies, especially the altcoins in the last day, you know. But this is to be expected, you know, because we are in a bear market. We're still in a bear market. What we're waiting for this bear market to turn. And the longer we go into this bear market, the more deals you guys are going to get and the more money you're going to make. Quite seriously. And I know it's depressing on this side right now when the prices is dropping on everything. And most people get discouraged and they do not buy when it gets like this. In fact, they start selling. They start panicking and selling. And I should know because this actually happened to me on the last Bitcoin bear market. And the stupidest thing I ever did. I could have actually quite literally got rich if I had actually taken the advice I'm using right now. I know where this is going this time. I know where this is going. And this is your golden buying opportunities. The lower this thing goes, the better the buying opportunities are going to be. The longer this bear market lasts, the more you guys are going to get wealthy. Quite seriously. If this bear market ends right now and we go back into a bull market, you're not going to have a chance to get on the right side of this. So let's go, with that knowledge, let's go and let's take a look at what's happening with Bitcoin today. Let's open the charts right here. Let's go to Bitstamp and take a look at what's going on. Bitcoin did not break support. Let me show you. It went down to $5,880 right here, and now she's bounced to $6,110. She did not break through support. Now, yesterday on my video, I said that there's a 60% chance she would not break through support, and I said there's a 40% chance that she will break through support. Well, today I'm increasing the chance a little bit that she'll break through support to 50-50. And the reason why is because the altcoins have basically broke through support now at this point. I don't know exactly specifically what each support level is on each altcoin, but the altcoins have lost a significant amount of money. Bitcoin hasn't broken through support levels yet, but it's given an increased probability that it will. The fact that the altcoins have already. Bitcoin is a big holdout right now, and a lot of money's coming out of the altcoins and going into Bitcoin. It's almost like circling the wagons, so to speak. But do not be in despair, because here's the thing. These are golden buying opportunities. And if she does break through support Bitcoin, you're going to see some fantastic bargains on Bitcoin and the altcoins coming up in the future. My plan is to cost average and buy all the way down to the bottom. And I'm a stubborn cuss when I know what I'm doing. The thing is they quite literally, the last time we went through all of this in the Bitcoin marketplace, see, I've been through all of this before. They quite literally convinced me that the cryptocurrency was going to die. There's a lot more of them back then talking about how cryptocurrency was going to fade into obscurity and disappear from the scene than there is this time even. And plus the prices were a lot lower. The prices went down a lot lower, and it looked like this whole thing was just going to evaporate like a pond does in the hot sun. This time, we've got substantially higher prices on everything, and we're just basically losing some of the bubble that was created. We were in a bubble back when Bitcoin was $20,000 a piece, or close to $20,000 a piece, and so was all the altcoins. It's just doing the same pattern all over again as it did last time. And so my plan is to buy all the way down to the bottom in incremental little bits to cost average. So I'm not worried about any one particular day move, but I'm trying to buy in on the dips. Right now, I'm thinking that there's a 50-50 chance that she's going to break through support and go down to a lower level. And so I'm kind of waiting for that 50% chance and saying to myself, hey, you know what? If it goes down to a lower level, I'm going to buy more. And so I'm excited about that. So now let's take a look at cryptocurrency market capitalizations today. And what do we see? What we see here is $195 billion market cap. So we've lost roughly $20 billion. That $20 billion is going to move into the general financial system and act as stimulus. $20 billion in what, a little bit over a day, you know? I mean, that's going to pump into the financial system. Anyway, that money doesn't cease to exist just because it come out of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin dominance at 54.1%. I don't think I've ever seen it so high. And so when we move down through these coins, we see some of these coins are massively dropped in price. Litecoin 52.23. It's phenomenal. Monero, EOS $4.40. Bitcoin Cash 497. We're seeing bargains through this whole thing here. Some of them are down 18%, like Bitcoin Gold, Lisk, Bytecoin. Look, 23%. VeChain down 23% right now. Binance Coin down 25.61%. Oh my goodness. Neo is down 19.95%. Ethereum Classics down 18%. Look, IOTA down 20%. 42 cents for an IOTA. So we got some terrific bargains. Cardano down huge. Huge. Okay, so now what we're going to talk about is Neo. This is a coin that's got this logo right here. And it's a platform, a blockchain of cryptocurrency designed, and it's built a scalable network of decentralized applications. The base asset of the Neo blockchain is the non-divisible Neo token, which generate gas tokens. It can be used to pay for transactions and fees generated by applications on the network. Neo supports a wide variety of commonly used programming languages such as JavaScript and C++. Now, here's the thing about Neo. Neo is like a oriental version of Ethereum, you know, and it started out, it was a coin called Ant Coin, I believe, or Ant Shares or something like that. And they've changed the name to Neo. There's only 100 million of these coins that were created in the Genesis block. 50 million were sold to early investors, with the remaining 50 million Neo locked into smart contracts. Each year, 15 million Neo tokens are unlocked, which can be used by the Neo development team to fund long-term development goals. Neo's tokens generate a slow deflationary amount of gas tokens, which are used to pay for transactions on the network. So the coins generate gas tokens, right? So they basically, they make you interest when you own these coins. I see Neo, as time progresses, becoming a very valuable coin. Of course, right now they're going down with all of the other cryptocurrencies, and they're down to $15. If Bitcoin breaks support, the Neos could go under $10 a piece. If you own like 20 Neos at some point in the future, you might be a rich man. Simple as that, because these coins are not going anywhere. They're not going to disappear. And when the cryptocurrency goes back into the next bull market, these are going to make a fantastic investment. When to buy them, these Neos, would probably be if Bitcoin breaks through support and goes down substantially lower. These coins are going to go that much more again lower. So right now, if we're looking at $15 a Neo, you might be looking at maybe, I don't know, it could go down to $5 a piece, you know. So how much would it cost you to buy 20 for $5 a piece? $100. So you invest $100 worth of Neo when this thing hits bottom, maybe a few months from now, and that $100 in the end turns over and become more than you could ever imagine. You know, I mean, it's just that sort of a thing because it's an interest-bearing coin. So listen, thank you guys for listening. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Bye-bye for now.